Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dork side. It's me, the Dork in my truck. A little bit different video today. We're gonna go play with the drone in the woods. I brought the bike and I'm hoping to get some good shots and practice just flying out in the wilderness a little bit. So I thought, what the hell? Might as well bring you guys with me. It's technically a riding video. That's right, everyone. I am the Dork on the road, and I want to be your internet riding buddy. And I'm better than your regular riding buddies because I'm available whenever you want, and I come with the mute button. Feel free to hit it at any time. So please consider subscribing, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you know when I post awesome new content just like this. So I'm about to head up to Canyon Creek, my old stomping grounds. There's a butte that you've seen in a few videos that I think would make a really good place to take some scenic shots, some scenic video, and practice flying the drone in the woods where there's not a lot of trees around. So I'm gonna go give that a shot on the CRF, which is in the back. I'm sure you can see. It's weird, y'all, because like my whole shtick is I just go riding and make video. If it's any good, awesome, and if not, well, at least I got to go riding. And this is the first time I've ever gone out on purpose to shoot video. It feels kind of fake, but that's okay, because I'm being 100% genuine about it right now, and I'm not going to try and pretend like this was all one crazy adventure video. I'm thinking about a new intro or like a trailer or something, and it gives me a reason to go out and play with the drone, which is really the point of today. And if it turns into a video, awesome, and if it doesn't, well, that's life, y'all. So let's go out and have ourselves a mini filmmaking adventure. Gonna drive for a while now. Here we are, Canyon Creek. You know the spot, side of my first tentative dual sport explorations. So about a mile up this road is a real decent clearing. We're gonna try and film there. It's a beautiful day, very clear. You see that? Sorry, that's way too fast. I could see the mountains coming in, so maybe we'll get some good mountain shots in the background. We're gonna unload, let's head up, shoot some video. It's good to be on the bike again. Although it's only been like 3 days. The couch is still there. Since we're doing all the magic of filming right now, I can let you in on a little secret. I have to turn around and go back for my camera. Yeah, I'm regretting not wearing my riding pants. It's colder than I thought, but probably when I get up in the sun and start moving around, I'll be happier that I don't have them on. We're not going far today. Theoretically, might get a wild hair, who knows? Who knows? You never know with this guy. I feel weird, improperly attired though, going very far. So this is Canyon Creek, the old stomping grounds. Haven't been here in a little while, but there's a really good spot where while I'm ready to start flying in the woods a little bit, I would rather do it in a big open area, and there's a big clear cut up here with a butte right in the middle of it. Seems like a good spot to practice, but there's that little chance of running into something in the trees. I'm a little more wary at this point still, because it has obstacle detection, but tree branches are not the size of obstacle that it's super good at detecting, especially ones with no leaves, is what I've been told. We're going to stay out in the open for today, but I think we're still going to get some good shots. See, here we are. Just takes a minute to get here. You've seen this spot before. There's the butte. Lots of open air around it. Ah, it's much warmer in the sun. That's good. So we're just going to ride up to the top. This does not look as steep as it is on the camera, I know, but it's pretty steep. Let's try to get some drone footage of it later. Beautiful today. Muddy. Here we are. Feels like as good a spot as any. Oh, right there is good. Right here is good too. Okay, well, the helmet cam is not cooperating today. Keeps giving me the SD card error, so I need to format this card, obviously. I'm gonna have to deal with the B camera. If it'll sit still, I'm sure it's crooked as hell. I had some thoughts on trying out the tracking. I brought a strap and I think I can attach it to the handlebar, but I'm gonna start with static shots, get a few of those, get a feel for the wind conditions and everything. So here she is. the drone. Gotta put the battery in. Battery's important, I've been told. Somewhat difficult to fly without it. Not too windy, so that's good. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see me. Try to set it up so you can see where I'm launching the drone from, but it might not be that cool if you can't see me too. Okay, we're gonna send it up. Whoop. We're gonna start super tight and do a dronie shot. This would be a cool intro shot if the light looks good. I'm not sure yet. It's got me. All right, let's do it. That's cool, dude. Misty mountains in the back. Hell yeah. All right, now we're gonna try an asteroid. 3, 2, 1. It flies up and it takes a picture of everything, and then it comes back down, and it stitches all the pictures together for you. It's kind of crazy. Okay, we're gonna do a rocket, and then we'll move locations to over there, because I think that might be better for lighting. This thing is slick, dude.
3, 2, 1.
I'm okay with the static shots. I'm a little reluctant to try something that requires me to ride, because the problem is this controller, like you gotta set it up, and then I don't think it'll stay on the handlebars very well on this kind of terrain. I mean, I could put it in tripod mode and just ride towards it, I guess. It just feels weird because I can't have the controls like handy, but I don't want it bouncing. Like if it fell and the control stick jammed sideways, it could slam into the mountain or something. I don't know how I feel about that, but I do want to go down there and get a couple more shots. Okay, here's the plan. I'm not comfortable riding with the controller on the bike, so I'll have to set it down, which means I don't want to get very far from it. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to set it to hover right over there, and then I'm just going to come up and ride through this top part a few times and see if I can get a couple good shots. So I'll just be riding back and forth. I won't be more than a couple hundred feet from the controller, and I'll set this camera up so you guys can watch me be ridiculous and ride back and forth like a tool. And then we'll watch it on the camera, on the drone camera, and you'll see how cool it looks. Probably, theoretically, or not. I got an epic around the hillside shot. Now I'm just gonna get a few shots of the scenery before this battery dies. I think that'll be it for shooting today. So I hope you enjoyed this so far. I'll make sure and put those shots in for you. I think that's going to do it for our drone flying adventure today. All 3 batteries are empty. I think we got some good epic shots. I'm eager to cut it all together and show it to you, share it with you all. Maybe use it as an intro or a trailer. I haven't really decided yet. It's kind of an excuse to just come up and fly in the woods, which is the whole point of the drone. So I wanted to get a sense of what it can do. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing for epic future drone footage and off-road shenanigans and God knows what else. But for now, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, please do not forget to be excellent to each other.